Are you actively searching for any internship opportunity in data science domain, looking for any fresher job opportunity, experience opportunity, or fully remote job opportunity? Then this video is just for you. In this video, we are going to review few jobs related to data science role. So if you're actively searching for a job change as an experienced data scientist looking to start a career as a fresher in this domain or any internship opportunity, then this video is worth watching. आज की इस वीडियो में मैंने कलेक्ट किए हैं जॉब्स फ्रॉम टॉप एमएनसीज लाइक गार्टनर, एचपी, एल&टी, सेल्सफोर्स। तो हम रिव्यू करेंगे कैसे आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, व्हाट आर द की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी। हाय, my name is Harish Singh. I currently work as a manager in research and analytics domain at a leading US-based MNC, and I'm almost 8+ years of experience into data and analytics domain. I also work as a job search consultant who is passionate about helping job seekers to find the right opportunity. If you're a first-time visitor, subscribe this channel right away for all the latest job opportunities in data science, data analytics, Power BI, SQL, Python, or business analytics domain. And apart from this YouTube channel, I regularly post videos on my Facebook and my Instagram page as well. So follow both the channels. अब रिव्यू करते हैं आज की जॉब्स, कैसे आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं। और वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आता है, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक एंड शेयर बटन। इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई सजेशन है, यू कैन रीच मी आउट टू माय मेल आईडी callcentertalks26@gmail.com. नाउ विदाउट फर्दर ado, लेट्स जंप राइट इनटू द जॉब ओपनिंग्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, आ गए लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और रिव्यू करते हैं जॉब्स। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द वीडियो, जस्ट अ क्विक डिस्क्लेमर. For better understanding, I have listed the key responsibilities in bullet points and highlighted the essential technical skills required to apply for the job post. However, if you'd like, you can just pause the video to go through the complete roles, responsibilities, and technical skills in detail. First company in the list is Discover Dollar, hiring for data scientist intern. Location is in Bangalore. Stipend would be competitive. Experienced freshers. Key responsibilities: transforming natural language data into useful features using NLP techniques to feed classification algorithms. Also using effective text representation techniques and classification algorithms, understanding business objectives and developing models that help to achieve them along with metrics to track their progresses. Analyze experimental results, iterate and refine models to create significant business impacts. So these are some key roles and responsibilities for this job opportunity of data scientist intern. And if I talk about educational qualification for the job role, bachelor's degree in quantitative discipline, strong ability to write robust code in Python, familiarity with machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and libraries like scikit-learn, stats models, understanding of NLP techniques for text representation, strong problem-solving skills, and excellent verbal and written communication skills. So if you have these required skills, you're also good to go with key responsibilities. You can click on this link to apply for this job post, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Agli job hai for the company name L&T Tech, hiring for data scientist. Location is in Bangalore. Experience 1+ years. Salary will be discussed at the time of interview. Key roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain Python-based applications for image processing and analysis, design and implement algorithms for image enhancement, segmentation, and feature extraction, collaborate with cross-functional teams to integrate image processing solutions into existing systems, optimize and improve the performance of image processing pipelines, and troubleshoot and resolve issues related to image processing and software development, document code and processes, ensuring best practices are allowed. Education qualification for the job role: bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, renewable energy engineering, data analytics, or related field, and a strong understanding of image processing techniques and libraries, that is OpenCV, scikit-images, and SITK. Experience with machine learning frameworks, that is TensorFlow or PyTorch. Familiarity with software development tools and version control system. Excellent problem solving skills and attention to detail. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is YMTS, hiring for data scientists. Location is in Hyderabad. Salary 4 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. Experience 0 to 1 year. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for the job post, or if you have maximum 1 year of experience, then also you are eligible to apply for this job position. Key responsibilities: proficiency in machine learning algorithms and frameworks with specific expertise in LLMs such as BERT, Roberta, XLNet, GPT, and Llama. Extensive knowledge of NLP techniques and methodologies, familiarity with deep learning fundamentals including LSTM, CNN, and RNN architectures, ability to analyze and pre-process large data sets efficiently, and strong problem-solving skills and the ability to work independently or collaboratively in a team environment. Skills and qualifications, bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, engineering, maths or related. And if I talk about technical skills for the job role, strong problem solving skills and the ability to optimize and fine tune deep learning models for performance and efficiency. Knowledge of PyTorch or TensorFlow, well versed with data exploration, analysis, modeling, etc. Role involves a lot of data analysis, modeling and exploration. So if you are ready to take this challenge, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link. अगली जॉब है फॉर द कंपनी नेम नेटोमी, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा साइंटिस्ट। रिमोट लोकेशन के लिए ये जॉब पोजीशन है, तो अगर आप रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी सर्च कर रहे हैं विद द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मिनिमम 2 years, you can apply for the job post. Salary would be best in the industry. Key responsibilities: prompt engineering and development, design, craft and optimize high quality prompts to elicit desired responses from AI models. Model design and implementation, develop and implement machine learning algorithms for NLP, LLMs and deep learning models at a scale to meet business requirements. Benchmarking and evaluation, conduct benchmarking studies to compare prompt performance and establish best practices. Develop evaluation frameworks to assess prompt effectiveness. So these are some key responsibilities for the job role. And if I talk about skills and qualifications, bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, applied mathematics or statistics. Desired skills, you should be proficient in Python and familiar with AI frameworks and libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face. Experience with development and optimizing and evaluating prompts to improve AI model responses, and experience with large language models such as GPT-4 and Llama 3 and their applications in customer service or other domains. And this is the link to apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Deloitte, hiring for intern data science and machine learning experience freshers. Location is in New Delhi. Stipend would be competitive. Key responsibilities: model development, design, develop and deploy generative models such as GANs, generative adversarial networks, transformers and large language models. Stay on the top of the latest trends in AI, including research papers, open source advancements and breakthrough in generative models and deep learning. Data preparation and processing, collaborate with data engineers to prepare, clean and process large data sets, and also train large scale models using advanced machine learning techniques and optimize models for efficiency. Skills and qualification: bachelor's or master's degree in quantitative field. Desired skills: a strong understanding of deep learning algorithms, architectures and optimization techniques. Hands-on experience with large-scale model training, GPU computing and cloud platforms like Azure. And understanding of model interpretability, explainability and ethical AI considerations. And this is the link to apply for this internship opportunity. अगली कंपनी है Salesforce, hiring for decision scientist. Location is in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Salary would be competitive. Experience 2 years. Key responsibilities: analyze and evaluate the backend implementation of our Agent 4 external and internal offerings. Also visualize data through dashboards and reporting tools like Tableau to present findings or recreate analysis. Also apply statistical techniques and data science evaluation metrics to experiments, designing them in collaboration with business and technical teams, and work with product managers to analyze impact of their products, developing product-specific KPIs and metrics. And if I talk about educational qualification, you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in quantitative fields such as mathematics, stats, computer science to apply for the job post. But if you have master's degree, then your candidature would be preferred. And if I talk about technical skills, strong proficiency in SQL, proficiency in an analytical language of some kind such as R or Python, experience with data visualization tools like Power BI, but if you have experience in Tableau, that would be preferred, and excellent communication and presentation skills to present your finding to stakeholders. And if you are good to go with key responsibilities, skills and qualifications, you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link. Next company in the list is HP, Hewlett Packard, hiring for college intern data science. Location is in Bangalore. Attractive stipend, experience 0 to 1 year. So if you're looking for any summer internship role currently you're pursuing, or you have recently completed a degree in data science or data analytics, you can review this roles and responsibilities and skills. So what they are looking for is basically HP is looking for an individual to join the AI lab team as a summer intern, propose innovations that improve on the state of the art, develop fine-tuned Gen AI models for target applications, conduct analysis and benchmarking to show improved model performance, and implement alternative approaches and baselines from the latest research. Skills and qualifications: enrolled in bachelor's, master's, PhD in computer science, electrical engineering, mathematics, stats, or any other related discipline. And machine learning, classification, regression, bagging, boosting, NLP, Python programming and PyTorch framework, Hugging Face library, practical knowledge of fine-tuning using, and experience with Git workflow, stacking, commit, push, pull, request, good to have. And if you're looking for this internship opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. अगली कंपनी है Veracity, hiring for data scientist, location remote, experience 1 to 3 years, and salary would be 3 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. So if you are actively looking to switch a job as a remote data scientist and with experience of 1 to 2 years, you can apply for this job post. Key responsibilities: data scientists will join a team responsible for developing advanced analytics products, applying data visualization and statistical programming tools to enterprise data to advance and enable the key mission outcomes. In this role, you'll support all phases of analytic work, product development, from the identification of key business questions through data collection, performing analysis, and using a wide range of machine learning and applied mathematical techniques. Skills and qualification: if you have bachelor's degree, then you are good to go. If you have master's degree, that would be preferred in computer science or related discipline. Technical skills: experience with programming languages such as Python, R, or SAS. Basic understanding of data extraction, transformation, and loading to support advanced analytics. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is State Street, hiring for data scientist intern. Location is in Bangalore. Attractive stipend. Experience 0 to 1 year. Key responsibilities: assess senior researchers in their day-to-day tasks and long-term research projects, analyze of existing ISG models with focus on quantitative techniques involving but not limited to time series modeling, cross-sectional models, and statistical analysis. The role may expand over time to incorporate broader responsibility, including development and testing of new tactical asset allocation models. Educational qualification: bachelor's degree from a top tier institute is a requirement, preferably in the field of data science with a touch of management studies. Hands-on experience in Python, R would be nice to have. Ability to analyze complex data sets, identifying trends, and independently write production level model codes in R and Python, and use quantitative machine learning skills to develop desirable models. So if you think you are a right fit for the job opportunity for this internship role, you can click on this link and you can apply for this internship opportunity. Final company in the list is United Airlines, hiring for associate data scientist. Location is in Gurgaon. Salary would be competitive. Experience 0 to 2 years. Key responsibilities: working on project in partnership with business teams to identify opportunities for improvement, delivering high quality operational research solutions, and maintaining proper documentation to foster seamless workflows, effectively structuring communication of insights from work stream and delivering clear and professional presentation, and performing regular technical coordination reviews with stakeholders and ensuring timely reporting and escalations, if any. For this job post, you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in engineering, technology, computer science, stats, operational research, and applied mathematics, economics. And if I talk about technical and soft skills for the job role, must be legally authorized to work in India for an employer without a sponsorship, fluent in English, successful completion of interview required to meet job qualification. If you have experience with C, C++, Java, R, Python, or other structured programming languages, that you would be preferred, and theoretical and practical expertise in AI and ML modeling. And if you are good to go with three key responsibilities, job location, salary, and company, you can click on this link to apply for this job post. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of data scientist. As I mentioned, I have tried to cover especially jobs for internship and fresher role opportunities. I hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you'd like similar job notifications, career development tips, and interview tips, then subscribe this channel right away and follow my Instagram and Facebook page as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great weekend.